Welcome, staff. Today we're going to cover cyberbullying and what it can do to our students. Welcome, staff. Today we're going to go over what cyberbullying can do to our students and how harmful it could be. Definition of cyberbullying is the use of electronic communication to bully a person, typically by sending messages of an intimidating or threatening nature. What is cyberbullying exactly? It is only considered cyberbullying when it is instigated by a minor against a minor. It involves death threats or credible bodily harm. It can also turn into a cycle where the cyberbully can turn into the victim. Cyberstalking is sometimes considered a very directed form of cyberbullying. When is it not cyberbullying? It is not considered cyberbullying when an adult is involved. This is more of a serious offense called cyber harassment. Cyberbullying is also about an adult trying to lure a child somewhere to sexually exploit them. Two main types of cyberbullying. One of them is direct attacks, which can be direct messages, stealing passwords, blogs, websites, sending pictures through email or cell phones, internet polling, interactive gaming, sending malicious codes, sending porn or other junk emails. The other type is cyberbullying by proxy. It's more dangerous because parents can get involved. Victim looks like the instigator or bully, notify war, poses victim, and sends messages. Some of the effects of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying can affect a person psychologically, emotionally, and physically. People from all ages can be affected by cyberbullying. Psychological effects of cyberbullying. Increases feelings of sadness and loneliness, have no social life, scared to interact with others. Some interesting facts while doing this research. The most common type of online bullying is mean comments, 22.5%. 35% had shared a screenshot of someone's status or photo and laughed at them. 61% of teens who report being bullied say it was because of their appearance. 41% of U.S. adults who use the internet have personally experienced online harassment. This is an intriguing stat right here. 77% of online harassment victims report that they had been harassed via Facebook. 7 in 10 young people experience cyberbullying before they hit the age of 18. Physical effects of cyberbullying. Changes in sleep and eating pattern, loses interest in activities, more health complaints, stress, have low self-esteem. A lot of avoidance tactics too. People don't want to go somewhere, do something, so on and so forth to try to avoid it. So emotional effects cause depression and anxiety. They can miss, skip, or drop out of school. Higher risk of suicidal thoughts. Some ways to get help. Record and keep evidence of the messages received online and go to one of us building administrators here. Ignore and don't entertain the bully by responding. Some prevention of cyberbullying. Discuss proper online usage and etiquette. Monitor your child's online access and make sure they are being safe and not a victim of bully. Install parental control filters. Establish an open discussion of child is being cyberbullied. Some helplines if you are being a victim of cyberbullying. The Crisis Call Center, Cyber Tip Line. And those are the numbers, and you can call or text. Thank you guys for sitting through this presentation. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And thank you.